Hello friends, today our topic is integration testing. It is used to test the data flow from one module to another module in the application. It is the second level of testing which comes after the unit testing. The primary focus of the integration testing is to expose the defect which might occur due to the interaction between the modules. We check the interaction of the software module with the database in this testing type. Objective of the integration testings are reducing the risk, verifying whether the functional and non-functional behavior of the interface are as designed and specified or not, building confidence in the quality of the interface, finding defect which may be in the interface themselves or within the component or the system, preventing defects from escaping to the higher test level. So integration testing is basically performed between two module or two or three module combined. So we generally test the data flow between one module to another module. Suppose if we talk about an example, so we provide some data during the sign up of the application, and these data will reflect in the profile section of the application. So the data from sign up module is transferred to the profile module. So this is how we generally perform the integration testing to see the data flow between the various modules. Now integration testing is further classified into two types, which is incremental integration testing and non-incremental integration testing. Now let me first explain about incremental integration testing. In this testing approach, the module is added one by one in order to perform the testing, and it is further classified into two types. The first one is top-down approach. In the top-down approach, higher module is tested with the lower module till the testing is completed successfully. So the first uh, higher module will be tested, and then we will integrate lower module into the higher module till the software is completely tested. Second one is bottom-up approach. In the bottom-up approach, lower module is tested with the higher module till the testing is completed successfully. So in the bottom-up approach, the lower module is tested first, and then we will integrate the higher module one by one, and then we will see whether the data flow between these modules is as per expectation or not. Now coming to the non-incremental integration testing type, this approach is applicable when the architecture is complex to understand like which is parent module and which is child module. So we will acquire these type of testing in this kind of situation. It is also known as Big Bang method.